Hi everyone, welcome to Chilicio. I am cooking spicy traditional Indonesian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a grilled fish egg in banana leaf. And I hope you enjoy this video and let's get cooking. So first thing I'm gonna do is blend all these ingredients. I have a big red chilies here and one big onion and some garlic, and then I have maybe 1 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon turmeric, and then 1 teaspoon of coriander. So I'm gonna fry this one first. Add lime leaves and lemongrass. So I'm gonna add tamarind juice for 1 tablespoon. And then I have here coconut milk. I'm gonna add chicken powder, maybe for almost half teaspoon, and half teaspoon salt, and then palm sugar. I'm using palm sugar. You can use any type of sugar. I'm going to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. After I cook about 5 to 7 minutes, and I turn it off now. So here I have fish egg and some fish. You can make with any type of fish you want. Here I have aluminum foil and banana leaf. Put spice on banana leaf like this. I'm gonna put some fish egg on top of it and fish as well, and cover it with spice like this. Roll into a package like this. And lock it with a toothpick like this. And then the other side too. Very easy. I'm going to steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's time to grill. So I put the grill for maybe 10 to 15 minutes more. I'm going to turn around like this. So my fish is already cooked and plating time. Look at that. Look at how beautiful color it is. It smells so good. So I can't wait to try it, guys. Gonna say this is egg. I'm gonna put roasted onion. Tasting time. So good, so delicious and healthy. As you can see, it's really easy to make. And if you like for another recipe, another video, please click subscribe, and we'll see you next time, guys. Bye bye.